9 reasons why August is the perfect month to get started on your composting. Abundant kitchen and garden scraps. August's fresh produce scraps and garden clippings feed thermophilic microbes, drawing earthworms and springtails for faster compost decomposition. High temperatures speed up decomposition. Late summer heat raises your pile to 130 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, killing weed seeds, accelerating microbial activity, and reducing cooler season delays. Plenty of dry browns available. August's dried grasses, straw, and fallen leaves provide carbon-rich browns, keeping compost aerated and shielding against odors and compaction. Prepare soil for fall plantings. Starting now yields finished compost by October to enrich kale, spinach, and garlic beds, while also supporting nesting solitary bees. Reduce waste before leaf drop. Composting in August clears summer debris before leaf fall, halting mold, deterring slugs, and fostering predatory beetles in your garden. Encourage beneficial soil fauna. A warm, moist August pile attracts earthworms, springtails, and enchytrides, creating tunnels that improve soil aeration and nutrient cycling. Control odor and pests early. High summer temperatures and proper greens to browns layering prevent odors, fruit flies, and rodents, while beneficial mites and beetles control pests. Trial composting methods now. August's mild nights offer ideal conditions to test tumblers, vermicomposting, or bin systems, identifying your most efficient compost setup. Build composting habits for year-round success. Starting early builds a routine of scrapping, turning, and monitoring, ensuring year-round compost maintenance and shelter for beneficial insects.